So if that this time is one thing which help people make money, ठीक है, in the market, those are investing. So इसको थोड़ा क्वेश्चन को और डायल बैक करता है, यार ऐसा क्यों है कि इन्वेस्टिंग से पैसा बनेगा? इन्वेस्टिंग करना जरूरी है क्यों? व्हाट इज द रीजन दैट यू थिंक कि इन्वेस्टमेंट करना ही फायदेमंद?
Sir, I think the liquid money which we have, the savings which we have, can't grow by itself. We need to, invest. We need to just spray them in the market so that wealth creation could be possible. And over the years, if we go down the lane, we need some retirement cap as such. So if we start growing our savings, so that would be very beneficial for us.
ठीक है, understood your point, but I want to dial it even further back. So my question was कि what does investing do? समझ रहे हो? इन्वेस्टमेंट ऐसा क्या करता है कि बंदे का पैसा बन जाता है? अ पर्सन इज एबल टू क्रिएट वेल्थ ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, एज यू मेंशन्ड. मैं ठीक है, मैं सेविंग अकाउंट में पैसा रख देता हूँ, इंटरेस्ट तो वहां भी मिल रहा है मेरे को. मैं एफडी करा देता हूँ 7-8% पे, इंटरेस्ट तो वहां भी मिल रहा है. आई एम गेटिंग एन एडिशनल मनी ओवर माय करंट मनी व्हिच आई हैव. So what happens in investing which actually helps me multiply my money multifold in a period of time? ऐसा क्या हो जाता है?
Sir, I think the power of compounding works as well. And apart from that, the investment which is being done, it is done in the companies which do have certain amount of risks. So
Right.
all they offer is the risk free. All they offer is the risk premium, apart from those FD returns which are really risk free. So that is the thing.
I think this substantiates what Kripang is saying in a very beautiful manner. That salary can only help you meet your living needs, okay? But if you want to make big money in the market, you have to take ownership of some risky business which can actually grow over the period of time and help you make a killing in the market. आपको ऐसे बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा जिनमें पोटेंशियल है, जो आगे जाके ग्रो कर सकते हैं, और उनकी ग्रोथ के साथ साथ योर मनी कैन ग्रो. So let's take the example of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. When he invested in Titan, that investment in Titan actually helped him become what Rakesh Jhunjhunwala we know today as of, right? If he would have not invested in some kind of business, if he would have not taken some kind of equity stake in the business, he wouldn't have become such a big investor. And वही चीज थी जिसने उनकी wealth इतनी multifold grow करी and इतनी बढ़ा दी कि we could see him buying an airlines during the time he was alive, right? Which is a very, very difficult industry in its own. Okay. So that is what investing does. That it helps you take stake in those companies which have the potential to grow, and with their growth, your money also grows multiple.